Wait. This is a cuboid. Children, now do you know what solid shapes are? Solid shapes are shapes that are not flat. There are three-dimensional objects. An object that occupies space is called a solid. Now let us see some solids. Cube, cuboid. Give me some examples of a cuboid. Did you notice a cuboid has got 6 flat surfaces and the opposite sides of a cuboid are equal. Example of a cuboid: book, eraser, etc. A cube has got 6 flat surfaces which are all equal in examples are Rubik's cube and die. Next solid object or next solid shape is a sphere. Example: watermelon, football and a tomato. A sphere is round in shape. It has got one curved surface. Cylinder has 2 flat surfaces which are equal, one on top and one bottom, and it has got one curved surface. Example of cylinders are candle, glass, gas cylinder, etc. A cone has 2 surfaces. It has got one curved surface and one flat surface. The birthday cap is conical in shape. Some of the examples are cone, ice cream cone, birthday cap, etc. Now in this exercise, we have to color the objects that are similar to the given shape. Now can you see the sphere? Yes. What are the examples of a sphere? We have the football and a cricket ball and an orange. Cube, you have a die and a Rubik's cube. Now you have to color the objects that are similar to the given shape. Yes, children, what is the name of the solid shape? It is a cone. You have an ice cream cone, a birthday cap and a conical object, which are all cones. Cylinder, cake, coke cone and candle. They are all examples of cylinders. Children, some solid shapes roll, some solid shapes slide, and some both roll and slide. Now, do you like to play in a park? Have you seen a sliding board? Yes, in the same way, these solid shapes also love to slide. Now, solid shapes with curved surfaces or faces can roll down a slope. Example: sphere, cylinder, and cone can roll down a slope. Solid shapes with flat surfaces or faces, they cannot roll down a slope. These shapes slide down a sloping surface. Children, now this is an exercise where you have to tick the objects which roll, slide or both. Please complete this exercise and check your answers. Now children, can you see who's in the picture? Yes, it's Santa Claus. He is with the children decorating the Christmas tree. Now, you have to color the decorations on the Christmas tree and the gifts under the tree using the given color code. You have to color all the spheres red, the cones blue, the cubes green, and the cylinder yellow. Children, Do you know you can draw shapes with objects? Now if you place one of your books on a sheet of paper and draw along the sides, what shape do you get? Yes, you will get a rectangle. In the same way, we have to match the shapes that have been made by drawing along the objects. Now supposing you place a cube or a dice on a plain paper and run a pencil along its edges, you will get a plain figure with 4 equal sides. And wow, it is a square. It becomes a plain shape. So this is the connection between a solid shape and a plain shape. If you place a cuboid or a book, that is your math book, on a plain paper and run a pencil along its sides, you will get a plain figure with 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. It is a rectangle. Now, if you place a cylinder, that is a cold drink can or a Pepsi can, on a plain paper and run a pencil along its flat face, you will get a plain figure which has no sides or corners. It is a circle. So, in the same way, we have to complete this matching by matching the shapes that have been made by drawing along these objects. Come on, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, start. The first one. Yes, the first is a circle, second is a triangle, third is a rectangle, fourth is a circle, and fifth is a circle again. Fifth is a square, sorry, a cube. When you keep a cube, you get a square.
Solid figures. Let us explore solid figures. The different types of solid figures are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. This is a cube, an ice cube, a cardboard box, a block are all examples of a cube. This is a cuboid. A bus, a tiffin box, a fish tank are all examples of a cuboid. This is a cone. An ice cream cone, a birthday hat, a pencil tip are all examples of a cone. This is a cylinder. A can, a drum, a mug are all examples of a cylinder. This is a sphere. A basketball, an orange, and marbles are examples of a sphere.
So children, that was a video about the solid shapes and its examples. I know now you know everything about solid shapes. Now this is a challenge. You have to match according to the clues given. The first clue is you have to find out where the circle is next to the square. Where is the circle next to the square? Oh, yes. And the triangle is between two rectangles. The triangle has a square inside it. The circle is inside the square. Did you get your answers? Check your answers.